Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be all about the 1-inch exchange and the 1-inch token. So if you haven't heard about the 1-inch exchange, this is basically a DEX that combines DEXs. Pretty cool idea. I've seen this in a couple other projects, but this is the first time that I've had a chance to review 1-inch and really get into the weeds for this one, right? So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll be giving you a thorough review, as always, on what 1-inch exchange is and what it offers to you, the user. It has quite a few things that it offers here, and they're really cool, and that's what I really want to talk about in today's video, okay? From there, we'll be taking it on to who the team is behind it, who's backing this project, as well as where we think this token could end up by year-end 2021. So should be a very good educational video all throughout, and so by all means stick around all the way through, okay? So as always, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. And now, let's get it going. So as I mentioned in the intro, 1-inch exchange is basically a Dex aggregator. That's a decentralized exchange aggregator, meaning that it combines all different kinds of decentralized exchanges into one in order to get you the best pricing and the best deals, okay? That's what's really important here. Now, to date, 1-inch has 50 billion in total volume. They have 240,000 users. They've got 3 supported networks, which we'll be talking about in a minute. 2.3 million in total trades. We have 32.5 billion in access liquidity sources. We've got 69.12% aggregation share, 88 sources connected, and the 1-inch governance and utility token. Now, the aggregation protocol combines DEXs from, we have them from the Ethereum network, we've got them from Polygon, and we have them from the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain, okay? Now, 1-inch offers the 1-inch liquidity protocol, where users can earn interest on crypto assets by providing liquidity to the pool. Now, liquidity providers earn rewards on assets locked and extra yield farming rewards on 1-inch tokens. Now, how to do this? So you would first need to go to the liquidity protocol, next connect your wallet. Note that 1-inch has their own wallet available in the App Store for iOS, and I'm assuming that it's also coming soon for Android, so that's right around the corner, right? Now then click on the plus sign next to the pool that you would like to provide liquidity to. Enter a value for the amount of the liquidity that you would like to provide. Click on the unlock and select one of the unlock options. Click provide liquidity, sign it, and wait for the transaction to be mined. Next, select the amount of and unlock your tokens, then participate in liquidity mining. Now, to earn farming rewards from participating in liquidity, users currently have the option of, we have 1-inch WXT earning 256.96% APY in 1-inch and WXT rewards. We have 1-inch WISE earning 52.55% APY in 1-inch and WISE rewards. We have 1-inch Opium earning 89.57% APY in 1-inch and Opium rewards. I'm not even going to ask where that's going. Now we have 1-inch VSP earning 100.71% APY in 1-inch and VSP rewards. We have 1-inch ICHI earning 149.31% APY in 1-inch and ICHI rewards. And we have ETH BLES earning 108.75 in APY in BLES, okay? Now, let's talk about the 1-inch limit order protocol. So the features here include, we have no fees, making it extremely efficient. We have dynamic pricing, where smart contracts ensure users get the best deals. We have conditional orders, where users set conditions within the order. We've got extra RFQ support, which is fulfillment of requests for quotes. And we have multi-chain, meaning it operates, as I mentioned earlier, on Ethereum, Polygon, and the BSC. Now, the limit order protocol can then be used for, so first of all, we have stop loss order, which is an order that is executed when it reaches a price set by the user. We then have a trailing stop order, where the user sets the stop price at a fixed amount below market with an attached trailing amount. Now, what this means basically is if the market price increases, the stop price rises by the trailing amount. Now, if the price falls, the price remains unchanged. So users can also participate in MakerDAO auctions using dynamic pricing, okay? Now, we also have the 1inch DAO, which governs the 1inch network, enabling stakers to vote for protocol parameters and take part in governance. To date, those participating in the DAO have earned 13.5 million in governance rewards, quite a lot, right? Staked 49 million in 1inch tokens. They represent 11,000 voting addresses with 6 protocol options under control. So it's done quite a lot in just the little bit of time that this has been live, okay? Now, in terms of partners, 1inch has the following. So obviously here we have the BSC, multiple wallets, etc. Now for stakeholders, here's who they've got. Now we have quite a few backers, including Pantera, Upfront, and Binance. Now for a little bit of background, so the mission of the 1inch Foundation is to foster growth and expansion of the network through grants and capital deployment vehicles. Now the founders of 1inch are Anton Bukov and Sergey Kunz. And the team is actually based all over the world, with the majority in either Russia or Germany. All right. Now, for news, look at their blog located at blog.oneinch.io, where the latest news was basically that the limit order protocol went live just 4 days ago on June 10th. So, let's talk token. So 1inch is the native token of the network and is predominantly used for utility and governance. Total supply is 1.5 billion with 160 million in circulation. 1inch is available as an ERC token, meaning it's on Ethereum, or a BEP20 token on the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain. The token release schedule is visible in this chart, with all tokens being fully unlocked by December 30th of 2024. Now, of the total supply, we have 18.5% went to backers 1, 12.2% went to backers 2, 2.3% went to small backers, 22.5% went to core contributors, 14.5% to the growth fund, and 30% for community incentives. Now, if we insert the chart here, you can see that 1inch kicked off the year at $1.22. As of today, June 14th, 2021, it's at $3.64, meaning it has done basically a 3x so far this year. Now, if we insert the trading view chart here, if 1inch followed the same trend, it would finish the year between $4 and $10.30, which basically puts a 3x from today. And that's essentially my price prediction. I think it could do a 3x or better. I think it could go up from there, all right? I see a lot of good things here in this exchange. Now, CoinMarketCap notes the co-founder, Sergey, said the token is not intended to be an investment or security, but rather for staking and governance. So my point is that I did the price prediction here on the 1inch token because I do that in all of my videos, right? That's what I'm known for. Now, the point of this video is the exchange itself and the liquidity pools and the farming, all right? So that's where the real advantages are here with 1inch in terms of staking, in terms of liquidity, in terms of farming, okay? Now, in terms of where you can find 1inch, it's available on Binance, it's available on Coinbase, it's available on KuCoin. It's available in multiple other places as well. And I do have referral links in the video description for free money bonuses. So check those out. When you do, you help support the channel and you can get some free money along the way. All right, thank you. Now, for some final thoughts here on 1inch, I think the exchange has a lot going for it. I really like the idea of a DEX that combines DEXs to find you the best deal possible. If you look at the rates on these rewards that you can earn, they are absolutely massive. So this is sort of the way of the future here. There's some other platforms that do this, but what they're offering here with 1inch is pretty awesome. I actually really like it. So I did check out in the App Store the 1inch wallet. I went ahead and downloaded it. It is for iOS. As I mentioned earlier, if you have Android, I'm sure it's probably going to be just around the corner because they do mention Android on the site. It's just grayed out at the moment. So I'm sure that's coming. So with that, you've got the wallet. You can easily set it up. You can start earning some big time rewards here. And why not, right? That's the beauty of DeFi and what's happening in crypto today. It is exactly what 1inch is offering. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget that I am also on Twitter at KIR Finance, where I'm tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. Check me out there. And for a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.